the glow. The ocean hums, the tides align. I hear the rhythm so divine. One last time, I let it flow. Of hearts unbroken, never frail. One last time, I breathe it in. The stars, they dance, they light the way. A promise of silver thread where dreams can fly. I walk this road where shadows sigh. Born to the night, I was born to the night where the stars ignite, my soul takes flight. Born to the night, I was born to the night. The cool wind hums a gentle tune, leaves dance softly beneath the moon. A heart awake where the dark is strewn. Born to the night, I was born to the night where the stars ignite, my soul takes flight. Born to the night, I was born to the night. Darkness holds me like a friend, a rhythm that will never end. I find my truth where the shadows bend. Born to the night, I was born to the night where the stars ignite, my soul takes flight. Born to the night, I was born to the night. When the lights go low and the crowd's all gone, shadows stretch where the rhythm shone. The echoes fade like a whispered tone. Dancing's done, the night's grown still. Feel the silence, it starts to fill. Dancing's done, but the soul stands tall. Feet once moving, now rest on so bright, guiding us through the endless night. No more motion, but the spirit's light. Dancing's done, the night's grown still. Feel the She's the song of the rain. Her laughter heals sorrow. Her mercy ends pain. She is light, she is shadow. She's the truth in between. The mother of all things, the eternal unseen. God is a woman, her love is divine. She moves like the river, she bends space and time. God is a woman, hear her heart shine. She's the beat in my chest, she's the holy design. Heavy hearts can sink the boat, but the tide will always flow. The weight of yesterday, let it go. Hear the river hum. It's calling everyone. Water under the bridge, my friend. Flowing, flowing away. Wash the sorrow, let it mend. Oh, shadows fade in the morning light, lost in the current out of sight. Every tear becomes a drop of mine. Feel the rhythm sway. The rivers sing, every drop of rain, a sacred thing. I close my eyes, I feel the sound. This is my home, my sacred ground. spirit flows, the soul's our guide. Echoes linger in the air, soft melodica, it lifts my prayer. The snare snaps sharp like a distant star, guiding me home, no matter how far. My head, it spins like a restless wheel. My heart, it knows what the truth reveals. One pulls me high, the other down low. Which way to turn, only Jah must know. My head, my heart, they fight, they dance, caught in a circle, no second chance. My head, my heart, oh worlds apart, still I stand, still I start. The breeze, it whispers in quiet tones. The earth, it hums with 1,000 stones. I close my eyes, but the battle roars. A tug of war through unseen doors. Oh, guide me through this stormy tide. Oh, let your love be my guide. My head, my heart, they fight, they dance, caught in a circle, no second chance. My head, my heart, oh worlds one, still I stand, still I start. Echoes rise like smoke in the night. Ancient voices calling for the light. Healing comes in the rhythm sway. Let the music the sun.